अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे फर्स्ट ईयर कंप्यूटर स्टडीज़ चैप्टर नंबर 1। क्वेश्चन इज़ व्हाट इज़ कीबोर्ड, डिस्क्राइब enhanced कीबोर्ड एंड इट्स सेगमेंट्स। Keyboard is the most commonly used input device. Data is mostly entered using a keyboard. The buttons on the keyboard are called keys. A standard keyboard contains over 100 keys. A keyboard contains numeric keys, alphabetic keys, function keys, and special purpose keys. A standard keyboard is normally called QWERTY keyboard. This is because the first six keys on the top row of letters on this keyboard are QWERTY, QWERTY. The main parts of keyboard. The keyboard in most personal computers have the following main parts: function keys. Point number 2, main keyboard in the center. Point number 3, numeric keys to the right. Point number 4, additional keys. First, function keys. Function keys from F1 to F12 are used to perform special functions. Their functions depend on the software being used in the computer. Second point is main keyboard. The main keyboard includes the keys found on a typewriter keypad. It also contains some special keys. The special keys have different uses and effects that depend on the software being used. Next is enhanced keyboard. 101 key enhanced keyboard. 101 key enhanced keyboard has some additional keys between the main keyboard and the numeric keys. It also contains status lights in upper right corner. Here is an keyboard example. ESC key is used to terminate a command or current task. Caps lock key. Caps lock is a toggle key. The characters appear in the upper size if it is pressed. The characters appear in lowercase if it is not pressed. Numbers and symbols are not affected. The status light under caps lock turns on when it is pressed. Tab key. Tab key is used to move the cursor to the next tab. Shift key. Shift key is pressed in combination with other keys to produce uppercase letters and the upper symbol shows on certain keys. Control keys. Control key is pressed in combination with other keys to execute commands. For example, Control plus O is used to open a new file. Alt key. Alt key is also used in combination with other keys to execute commands. Backspace key. Backspace key is used to delete single character on the left of the cursor. Enter key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. It is normally used at the end of a paragraph. Numeric keys. Numeric keys are located on the right side of most keyboards. The numeric keys are used for two purposes depending on the status of num lock key. If num lock key is on, the main keys are used to enter numeric data and mathematical symbols like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. If num lock key is off, the numeric keys are used to move the cursor and perform other functions. Next point is additional keys. Some additional keys on extended keyboards are as follows. Arrow keys. The arrow keys are used to move the cursor position. Insert, delete, home and page up and page down keys. These keys are above the arrow keys. The function of these keys are same as our numeric keys 0 decimal point print screen. It is used to take a snap of the computer screen. Scroll lock. It locks and unlocks the cursor on screen. In some programs, the cursor moves normally when it is turned off. It does not work in all programs. Pause or break key. It is used